you're accounting with QuickBooks. But crafting sales on Etsy, neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a new product is added in QuickBooks, create a corresponding Etsy listing to keep your catalog synced. Or keep Etsy inventory accurate by updating listings whenever stock levels change in QuickBooks. Or even post new QuickBooks invoices as private Etsy orders to streamline wholesale fulfillment. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between QuickBooks and Etsy, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.